people, it's me, Miss Merman, and I'm
with my sister, Mr. Emily.
Stop! And I'm with my sister, Mr. Milady.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
And we're back playing Build a Boat for Treasure. I don't know what's going on.
Vroom, vroom.
Okay, since mine is not even with hers, I'm going to change mine thing. So it turns out parachutes are worse.
Oh. Can you add them to mine?
No, they're worse. They're not better.
Did you even light up your parachutes?
Yeah.
No, wait, but yours is not even with mine. You need to put it even with mine. I need parachutes, remember?
I didn't put parachutes.
Or, I mean, I need these things, remember?
Balloons?
Yeah. The balloons. And yours is not going to be even with mine.
I don't have any. I can buy more balloons.
Can you?
Yeah.
Just one more?
Let me just find
This
them.
one's not Santos.
It's fine.
It's not Santos.
It's fine.
It's not Santos. It's going to be... Even this one's not Santos. You're not very good at censoring.
Okay, I'm going to try to... Actually, I actually can't find any balloons.
Go to menu.
Oh, found it.
Yeah, 75. Do you have 75?
Well, now I have 70, so... Yeah, I got ×5.
Yay. That's all I need. Wait. You gotta redo this.
No, I don't. Actually, yeah, I kind of do. Stop!
That's not censored.
Oh, yeah, then I won't add it.
No!
That's what I thought.
Can you also censor these two?
Yeah! This one's not even close to being centered.
Even this one, it's not even on the line.
To be honest, you're moving too much.
Cause I'm Santa Claus. Vroom vroom.
Okay.
Ready?
No.
I'll let you. Put your chair on.
I will.
Put your chair
Oh
on.
my god.
Put your chair on.
Okay. Wait, I didn't put my lever. I need my lever.
No, just relight them. You don't need a lever. It'll add extra weight.
No, but I'm too lazy.
Okay.
Ready?
Hang on.
2. Oh, it only lights 1. That's why I need it in the... Okay, maybe in the back it would work.
Just light them on like this. It's the same thing.
Wait, well, let me try this. Yeah. Levers. Oh, okay. Ready? Let me first light.
5, 4,
Really?
3, 2.
Wait, did I put some balloons? Oh, I put one. Oh wait, let me light the one in the front and the back. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. We got a motor and a chair and balloons. Oh, you already launched it.
I'm not flying!
Oh, are you serious?
Oh, it's because I forgot to change my material.
You know what? Let's try to make it without flying. Very well. Okay. We'll try this.
Let's hope I fly soon.
Cause we need more gold, don't we?
I guess. So try not to fly. Oh, oopsie.
You mean try not to die? You
Yeah.
said try not to fly.
Yeah, try not to fly.
Oh! I can't control this. Oh! Oh! Ah! Ah!
I'm really good at. Are you controlling yours?
Yeah.
Okay. Why can't you control yours then?
It's because the balloons are making it crazy. Or maybe it's because I'm Santa Claus.
Maybe.
But I'm doing pretty good.
Same.
Ah!
This is where I got Buddy.
I haven't lost. Oh my gosh, one of my balloons is gone.
Don't touch the gear. That's the worst part. One of my balloons has got 2.
Oh, the candy.
This is the worst level.
Owie!
This is the worst level. What kind of level is this? You know, I'm just gonna bump into everything. I don't care anymore. I'm terrible at this.
I'm just letting you clear everything so I can go.
Hey, you gotta clear stuff too.
I cleared a lot of things. I'm still clearing things. I can't control mine.
I'm waiting for you.
You know what? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna run into this thing here. I'm gonna turn off all my balloons. There's no point in them, really. My motor! My motor's gone!
Oh no, who could have done that?
You did that?
Yeah, kind of.
Are you dead?
You have to spend Robux in order to defeat people's motors and stuff.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a thing?
Yeah. But it's gone now. I spent it when I was like, I don't know.
1,000,000 years old?
Are you calling me a billion years old?
Yes.
I'm gonna die.
Me too.
My motor is luckily still alive.
My motor isn't. I can't control this. I don't want a chair. I don't
I don't have floor.
I died.
I don't have a chair.
I died.
Okay, now I don't have a motor.
How
I died. How much
much-
money did you
I
get?
got 48.
Let me check. I got 64.
How dare you? It's because you got a motor. Okay, let's retry that.
Maybe no. Maybe we have to actually make our cars fly.
You can. Okay, do yours.
How much money do you have?
I have 50 bucks.
Do you know what? We're gonna survive with just. Oh wait, no, mine came. Yay, mine came.
I'm changing it all to wood.
Same, I'm changing mine to wood. Mine can't fly with this material.
But the thing is, wood is less dirty. What if it doesn't fly?
It will. Wood will fly.
Are you sure?
Yes!
Are you sure?
You just don't have enough wood blocks, do you?
No, I got 10 left.
That seems about a good enough amount to me. Almost done.
That's cool. I'm not.
My motor's in the way. Okay. I'm doing pretty good so far. And the only reason I'm talking is because there's an awkward moment of silence. Yeah, I was about to say quietness. Silence. And it's just your mouse clicking. And they wouldn't like that, right?
They probably can't hear my mouse clicking.
Oh. Well, her mouse is clicking like crazily. I can't even hear you.
Happy birthday! There.
Anyways, I'm done. Oh, wait, let me put a motor. No!
Stop that! That's not very nice.
Come to me, Mom. Come to me. What are you doing?
I'm being happy.
Remember what happened last time?
Oh,
There's like 200,000 blocks.
they don't know that.
Mona, please come to me. Mona, please come
Okay,
to
stop
me.
that.
Please come to me. Oopsie. Wait, never mind. Okay, I'm done. Are you?
Yeah, let me delete these doors.
Oh, please come to me.
If you don't stop. Alright, let's relight ours. If you don't stop. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
What?
No!
I'm flying! Wait, I can actually control mine.
I can't control mine.
You know what? Balloons are the worst idea to make it fly, but it's better than nothing.
It's not working. I've seen other people's work.
You see mine? Never mind, I'm not showing you that.
It's not working! Okay, now it's kind of working.
I gotta go down, but I can't. How do you go down? Oh wait, you just have to. Boom. 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 Boom.
Oh my gosh. Okay then. Help! I'm going into space.
Turn off one of your balloons.
I have. Uh-oh. I'm sinking.
This feels like I have like 100 boosters on right now. I'm terrible at this.
Me too. Join the club. Wait, I'm actually doing it.
I'm not.
Wait, where are you?
I.
Look at my screen.
You're not doing it.
No, but look at this person.
Oh my. So you were lying about doing it?
I mean, I'm kinda.
Kinda?
Yeah.
You think kinda is an answer?
It is to me. Oh! Okay. Don't worry, I'm okay. I actually only needed 3 balloons.
But you told me to put more.
Because I had different materials.
Okay, I'm actually doing pretty good right now.
This guy is removing everything from me. It's such a good idea. I'm just gonna follow him. Uh-oh, one of my materials broke. Wait, one of my balloons, some of my balloons are breaking.
Uh-oh, that's
Why are my balloons breaking? Oh, he's breaking my balloons! Okay, I don't have anything else anymore, so, happy times. What a terrible idea. You know what? I'm just gonna follow these things.
I'm going crazy.
Are you at least flying?
Yeah, I'm fine.
I'm not even flying.
How? Why?
My balloons are broken.
I mean, I'm going crazy. I'm going nuts, but you know.
I keep taking damn. My motor's gone!
Oh, that sucks for you.
I'm just gonna follow this guy. He seems to be doing well. No, but look at it. This is what I wanted to do, you see?
Oh, why?
Cause. It's cool.
No, it's not.
Because these guys, they're like taking everything away, you see?
So?
It's coolio. You know?
Oh my god, I hate my boat. It's going like nuts.
My motor's gone. Where are you? Oh, where are you on the same level? I don't know which level you. Which level are you on?
I'm on the toy factory.
We might have different levels or something. There's no toy factory here. Oh! I'm dead. Are you dead?
No, I'm just flying.
I got 56 coins.
I might be. I'm not. My motor! You're dead! I can't even walk.
How do I get?
Okay. Hola. Chia.